Make your home a smart home with Z-Wave Plus. Connect and control lights and other household devices from anywhere with your phone or tablet, and give yourself the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is secure regardless of where you are. Z-Wave Plus products create a fully customizable home automation system. Simply connect through your Z-Wave compatible gateway for full control of your lights, entertainment consoles, coffee makers, and other small appliances when you want, from where you want. Choose from innovative smart switches, dimmers, and sensors, allowing you to effortlessly manage your home's lighting. Create scenes that automate your lights with the press of a button, and install add-on switches for three-way switch capability or for separate ceiling fan control. Install the in-wall smart outlet for permanent control over your lights and other electronics. Or for a less permanent solution, plug the smart switch or dimmer into any regular outlet for easy wireless control. For outdoor automation of your lights, pool pumps, and other appliances, install the 40-amp high-powered outdoor switch, or install the plug-in wireless outdoor switch for an easier outdoor solution. Z-Wave Plus allows you to maintain control over your home from anywhere using a smart device and compatible gateway. Live life smart with Z-Wave Plus home automation products.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen. Turn on the kitchen.
The right light can help you start your day with a boost of energy. You can set the Philips Hue lights to the perfect light for studying. And when it's finally time to relax, the right light can make reading a good book even more enjoyable. With one click, you can transform your space into a sanctuary, so you can unwind and let the stress of the day melt away as you prepare for sleep.